Snack trays. How many times have you seen, remember when our moms used to like put like
100%.
little snacks in trays like this?
Yes.
Like I remember them being done in like, you know, little paper kind of wooden trays, things like that.
Yes.
Today we're bringing you a set of 4 of them in ceramic. And you can do so much more than just serve a snack in them. We're gonna show you that in this presentation. But this one-time only price goes away at the end of our show, and it's the lowest price you're gonna see it at for the next 3 months. 4 payments of $5.97.
I can't get over the fact that when you think these are individual bakers, they're 16 ounces total each. Here's why I designed them. Exactly what Alberti was saying. For me, it's about not only the silhouette, but the fact that this, you could put your corn on the cob for the summertime. You can put your hot dogs in there with the bun.
Oh, that's
you can,
awesome.
of course, put all of your snacks. You can bake inside here. It's about that beautiful silhouette and the personalization of everybody having their own. Macaroni salad if you wanted to, coleslaw if you wanted to. You will get these home and use these for so many different things. And the fact you're getting all 4, they're mini bakers, they're servers. You can prep in them. You can do all your apps in them. They are a no-brainer.
I was going to say even like sides for smaller, smaller gatherings or just 2 couples.
Yes.
K858120 is your item number. If you want the white woodland, I'm going to show it to you first because it's going very quickly, and I have fewer than 850 to go around in that white woodland. So please, please don't wait. I'm going to start right over here again and go to that red doodle. If you want red doodle, only 850. Patriotic. Notice we have a theme here. They all match, right?
Corn on the cob, I can't.
600. Yes,
Mexican
I love
street
it.
corn in there for the summertime.
Or how about serving tacos in here?
Oh, yes,
right?
please.
Fish tacos,
Nachos.
right? Yeah. Oh, I love
Shrimp
that.
tacos.
Yeah, exactly. Parfetti. 250 to go around in the parfetti. You're going to see that right now, going very quickly. Come on up, you're gonna see floral lace. And here's what I wanna show you, by the way. They're all as beautiful on the inside as they are on the outside. So when you look at floral lace has all of this like etching on the outside, the beadwork, and then look at all the hand painting detail on the inside. So you get that with floral lace in the charcoal gray, which is a beautiful gray. 250 to go around. Here's the black floral lace, which I love to collect.
I always say toile. That to me looks like toile.
I know, I love it. It's so
Look at how beautiful
fancy.
that super
Look
red
at
is,
it in
though.
the red. 550 in the red. There it is in that gorgeous cobalt blue.
Always our most popular.
My mother
in our
collects this
floral
one.
lace.
She loves this one.
My fave.
This is yours, confetti,
of
which has
course.
all the colors in classic. The only 550 to go around. This one over here is our blue in Old World, 200. And then we also have the green Old World. 200. Okay, these are going quick. $23.88. We have 500 people placing orders. This price goes away at the end of our show at 2 p.m. today.
These are really special.
So baking them, prepping them.
Yes, cooking them, serving them. I'm getting like a banana boat vibe, right? When I was creating these, it was really, truly, yes, please. Yes. It was really about making sure that it was all special, right? That not only do you have that great silhouette, but everything you love from Temptation. So Alberti and I were talking about this is easily a portion for 2 people, right?
Oh, yeah.
16 ounces. So when you're thinking again, and we hear all the time, hey, can you make some smaller pieces? Maybe it's just me and my spouse, or it's just me. These are gonna be perfect. Pasta 4 ways, mac and cheese, shrimp pasta. Look how simple and easy that is. A bolognese, love that. And then just like a rigatoni. Look how beautiful that is.
It's almost like a little buffet that you like put together here.
Exactly.
And here's what I want to show you, okay? Because these, if you're saying to yourself, like, how do they bake up? Look at this. Look at how clean everything comes out of these bakers.
Pops right out.
No fats necessary. Of course, if you want to, you can use them.
Yes, please.
But really, what's really nice about this is the fact that now you have a 4-piece set that is so versatile that you can eat right out of, that you can serve right out of, that you can cook right in at any time whatsoever, and you get 4 pieces. So maybe you're picking up more than 1 set today.
Very smart.
For like, you know, if you've got like a lot of people coming over, maybe you're the party house and people come over and watch movies and you want to serve popcorn.
Sure.
This is the way to do it.
That would be super cute. I love that idea. Popcorn
personal
inside
nachos.
Here. Yeah, personal nachos. I love the idea of layering this in with your dinnerware. Now it's a different shape for your salad, or it's a different shape for, you know, your dessert. Like Alberti was saying, you can bake in it and then it turns into this, right? So you take that brownie sundae and then you put that ice cream and everything right on top of it, and you have that beautiful kind of, we were talking about, banana boat.
I'm still at banana split.
Yes, me too. I call it a banana boat, banana split. Exactly.
By the way, if you love ice cream, we have ice cream cups in the show.
Of course we do. I scream, you scream.
we all scream.
Yeah, we all just scream for no reason.
So I want to let you know what's going on.
Yeah, please.
We're really busy. I've got 1,000 people placing orders. If you want this, remember, it's a set of 4 that you're getting home. And what's the capacity of each one?
16 ounces each.
16 ounces each.
Yes, so Great size.
What about a little like Jello molds?
Love.
Right, like all this stuff
How
you
about
could
meatloaf?
do.
I love the
I
idea
love
of
that
doing
personal meatloafs.
Personal meatloaf
Actually, they'd be
inside,
bigger
or
than
two, right?
personal.
Because
Yeah.
you could easily pop it out and serve it. I love doing cornbreads in there with maybe chili on top. So many different ways you'll use these. We had to call them something, so we called them snack trays.
So let's show you the different color choices that we have for you because they are going very quickly. If you want woodland, please, please do not wait. Now, what you're seeing from far away is just white, but there's all this beautiful like faux bois wood kind of carvings in here. It's beautiful.
Beautiful, guys.
Fewer than 650 remain. $5.97 gets all 4 of them home for you.
Is this where I tell you that there's nothing else on order right now?
Aye.
Aye. I'm like, aye, maybe make more.
You want red doodle? Red Doodle is available, but only 750 left to go around. Mind you, we are super busy. We've already sold over 1,000.
Wow.
Then we have Patriotic for you.
I love this. This to me is corn on the cob.
This is
to
the
me
best.
is your summer barbecue, snacks, chips by the pool. You'll love that.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Oh,
I love Paffetti, getting super limited. Only 150 remaining in the Paffetti. Come on up behind that. You're going to see floral lace in the gray. 200 now to go around. So sophisticated. Then we have floral lace in the black. 350 to go around there.
Look at that beading. I love how you always
know.
call that out, and then the hand painting on the inside as well.
The floral lace is really, truly one of the
Yes.
most sophisticated looks. Then we have the red floral lace, 500. We have the cobalt blue floral lace that you're seeing
I
there.
didn't realize that's what your mom collects.
750. Yeah,
You
she
know,
loves this one.
Most new customers who come in and try the brand pick the blue floral lace.
It looks so rich. It looks
Yes.
unbelievably rich.
Yes.
Then you have confetti back here, which has all the colors in it. 500 to go around. We have the blue in the old world. Fewer than 200 to go around. And then we have the green in the old world, fewer than 200 to go around
OG.
there.
The
Okay,
OG.
85812. All right, so we've got lots more ideas on the table. Like,
Yeah.
we didn't even show this one.
So I love
love this
this,
one
right?
over here, right?
We
For the
glue dot
kids.
these, sorry.
I know, it's fun. It's
You're
fun.
like, okay, so kids snacks, right, with their little, whatever you want to give them, but their little drink box can fit
I
right
love
inside here.
it.
This is even, you could prepare this ahead of time, kind of put it on, leave it on the counter when they get home from school or whatever. They know exactly what their snacks are. And then there are some adult snacks.
Yes, please.
Right? I love this, like beer, root beer, pretzels,
Well, we're
anything that you
finishing
want.
Munch Madness, but you know,
Munch Madness.
yes, but this could definitely still be something for everybody to
Such
play
a
around
great
with.
name.
I don't know why I'm thinking about this, but like I almost feel like this would even be great for like candy dishes come the
course,
holidays. It
sure.
would be great to, like even like a
Germac.
catch-all for your keys and stuff at your desk if you wanted.
But like think of all of the food brands that you share, right?
By the way.
Germac inside here, Snacky inside here. And the pattern goes all the way around. What I love about Doodle too is you have that cobblestone walkway that runs all the way around with the roosters, not just one rooster. Then you have that center rooster with the quadrifoil. And P.S. and by the way, roosters are good luck.
Yes,
so
they
if you're
are.
thinking of shower gifts or housewarming gifts, we have so many weddings this year, it's kind of weird. These are great gifts to give.
So here's the thing, right? Your easy pay is $5.97. That's how much it breaks down for each one of these snack bowls.
They're an individual baker, by the way.
Each one of them
Yes.
is super versatile. It's not like just a cup,
Right,
Right?
exactly.
You can serve with these. You can prep in them. You can put them out for, like, if you're like entertaining and you want to put the salamis here, the cheeses here,
charcuterie.
the fruits
Yes,
here,
love.
the veggies here.
Cornichon.
Yeah, exactly. Cornichons. Today is your day to pick up that one set that's going to make it so easy for you to now entertain all week, all year, all summer, whenever. And we have it for you, like I said, in those the many different color choices, but they are going quickly because this is a one-time only price. Price goes up at 2 p.m. Over 1,500 orders have been placed.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay,
Wow.
85812. Okay, Paffetti right down over here. Fewer than 100 to go around in that Paffetti.
I love the
And that's
Paffetti.
going to sell out. So please, please check out of your shopping cart. We got a lot of people on the phone lines. Okay, 85812. But I'll take you through the color choices super quick. If you just zoom in over here, what you'll see is the woodland in white. We now have fewer than, let's see, 450.
I'm surprised we have any left.
I know,
just,
me
just
too,
honestly.
in all honesty, right?
Yeah.
Because that always sells out first. There's your red doodle, 700. There's your patriotic.
Just love red, white, and blue.
Fewer than 500.
Fireworks.
Why are we both wearing red, white, and blue? I love
don't
that.
know, but
We're
I
both
have this
very
apron that's
patriotic.
also available.
Paffetti now, fewer than 100.
Don't
There's
miss
your
it.
floor lace in gray. 170 floor lace in black. 350 floor lace in red. 500, there it is in the blue. 700, and then coming back here, we've got Old World in confetti. 450, there's your blue. 170, and then there is your green, 180. They're going quick. Okay, 858122 is your item number. That's one of our one-time onlys in the show.
Cool.
But we are so excited that we have lots of great values for